Today I'm going to be showing you how to switch Facebook account on Monopoly Go mobile game. It is a very simple thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Monopoly game in your mobile phone. Then click on the Friends option given down below. As you can see, my Facebook account has been connected to the game. Now click on the three lines given on top right corner. Then click on the settings option. Now click on the connect account button and select the first button to disconnect the Facebook account, and then you can come back to the friends option, and after you disconnected the Facebook account, you can see the Facebook button in between contacts and invite, and then you can click on the Facebook button and then you can connect your other Facebook account to the Monopoly mobile game. In this way, you can easily switch Facebook account on Monopoly mobile game.